Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch QLED screen special for food F150 28 to 2014 years. Okay, you can check this head unit front, and it comes with the special harness and canvas box. You can check this canvas decoder box and factory power plug and play. AUX. This 4G antenna. Okay, this is our website, belsee.com, blse.com. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website. And let me check the home screen. You can change the logo and check settings. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address, you can contact us, and you can choose a photo. Logo and change the SIM color. Okay, let me change the back Belsee. With red, you can adjust the SIM color, any color you can adjust. Okay, it's built in the auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can set the HM car launch always. And this Wi-Fi belsee.com. And this instructions user menu. This user menu, very fast response. And built in the Play Store. It's built in the Google Maps. And this volume button. Built in the YouTube. Okay, let me check the settings. It's Wi-Fi, built in the Wi-Fi connected, and the hotspot from your phone. This SIM card, there 4G SIM card. You can put the SIM card, it's work with 4G. Okay, and the storage total 128 GB. And memory DDR 8 GB. Okay, let me check the system. You can change the language. You can add the language. It's built in the other languages. About device, you can check the Android one is Android 12 voltage. Android 12 voltage, okay. And car information, sleep mode, and other settings. This SIM style, there are total 8 SIM style. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there are 8 SIM style. You can set it always. Change the color, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. And let me show the Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. This Bluetooth from your phone. Enable and click search button. your phone will get the phone and message please pair, click pair, and connected Bluetooth. You can make phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with Bluetooth phone call. And music. It's DSP amplifier. Sub out. Okay. And the video, it has no video file. You can put the video and test. Okay. Let me show this APK installer. You can install apps. DSP. Car information. Built in the Play Store. Okay. And this BAT device you can check. It's Android 12 voltage, DDR8 GB and 128 GB. It's factory settings. It's password 8878. You need to set the break with 0. If not, it can't watch video. And other settings. Okay, you can set this with the home launcher. Okay. Okay, that's all. This is our website. If you have any more questions, please visit our website to contact us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.